Welcome to the Simian strategy. Today we are trying any of think we will ignore a narrow strand, and we will work the directly with the eggs up, and the eggs down this values. As the last, and the I minus. So let's see, first of all I need to find the Simian strategy. Which I'm not sure where it is. 1 second. Let me open the strategy. Okay, so where's the strategy opened? Here at this. And I also want to open it here. Okay, so we have in the top buffer, in the bottom rough buffer we have the Noro strategy. Let's see if I have it in my chart. Okay, let's check. This is my development chart. Let's change into ape. Pauline, now let's change to 30 minutes. And let's see if there's something. Yeah, there's the Simian, it's around here. So I go into the source code. And going to replace it with whatever I have here, which is also in the bottom. And let's see if it works. I suspect that. Huh. How can I am back? Let's check if the stream is working as expected. Hi, this is a pest. We're gay. The stream is working as expected. So this has 5 not 82%, so that's the right. the strategy, so now I want to make a big change. So let's see how to do it. Huh. Hmm. This is the strategy the currency minister Rajib, which has the default comments. And then we have the logic laws apply to Simian logic. And many more things that we don't actually need. So we will do another leather. And the pen then. How it works, we will do another leather also. So this is our leather. As you can see, it is 002. We are going to use the leather B so that it's easier to manage. So far what we want to do is to call the signal tutorial. And go back in here. The see me, and one, and this is going to be BC man. When I might change the name to someone to something else. But I'm not sure. Hey, let me check. They have a better name. While this. Hi gay, let's name this around the town. And we will see if it's okay or not. I am sorry if around with 10 is not seem him, because I'm not sure where. Matt, I don't care. Okay, so let's try. The ha ha. Let's see if I remember how to do this. So this is letter B. So he says letter B, and this is around the time. Damn. Now we want to use the proper name, so before doing that, write this. We want to compare the old script with the new script. Okay, so what we do is to come to the end script. Have the with the beat is great. One now. I can apply the new names. One guess, so this is the new name. And this is the new name. Let's say. And now we modify the the script. How I going to close the and the script? And I'm going to open the script. Both buffers. So I have it. In the top and in the bottom, so the current version is the one. The current date is 20. Okay, so this is B1. Hi, this is the one. Where we'll check later. We have to remove the throne room one, or not it's going to be easy. Ought to go days without. With all of this stuff, and then removing to stop them yet. I get, so now I going to change. Sorry, I'm going to save this change. This is what we won with the crime data. Hang. He won the comment. Here's proper name. That's right. That's the next change that we want. He is. The strategy needs to be used in 30 minutes. Spell. This is the change that we want. Let's check that the friends, let's save it. That's right. He knows that the strategy is to be used in 30 minutes. How can there? The Nexus mination is how the strategy works. That's quite easy to do. Yay, Winters. Apply it. Save it. Huh. Hello. We add an explanation on how the strategy works. This is going to change later, so now we implemented the logic, which is the big part. So there shouldn't be any what's the name, there shouldn't be. And oh my god. There shouldn't be anything strange in it. The only thing is that we need to what's the name? Why am I need to revert some of these changes later? Okay, that's the only thing, because we are not going to use them. As they're here, and either want to program it from here. So how do I want to the simple question. Maybe it's easier not to lie. The different changes. Hey. Let me apply the thing first. So current version for strategy name. Imports, we need to apply the inputs. We also need to apply trailing take profit. It's not unable to stem break even, it's in all. As the is 5% up early. And the we have. What's the hell is this a TR? Why the moment? Why do we know why doing needs stop loss at the 5%? Here we are not going to use it, because we have an ADR. I will not apply this 9. Leverage because I need it. We play with n% of our capital. And we have a custom race management. Okay, there we have all of this of the eggs functions. Hi there. Let's see. He sell the next thing they do is apply all of these logic. And we don't apply the plot, and there are more logic about how to close this. Okay, let's apply it. Is might be useful, you know that too close. I'm sure. I think we're done that. So the only change that we are not applying is the blonde, because we want another comment to the so. Or we another blame the stop loss, because when we use ADR doesn't appear, so this is not something then that we need, so now I can change the changes. He may have the inputs. We have all of this. Yay. I think this is right. So let's. He's coming to describe what we have test them. Hello. This is the... not the samurai, but the Simian lucky. Okay, so implement Simon. 3 rough terrain, or even watch. Then finally what we want to do is to apply the plot, which is this one. Now we should see a lot. We can say with here. Right here. What's right? Now we can bomb, but the version so that we can use this strategy. Let's do it. And then we will make more changes. So this is B2. Better. And somewhere under the rainbow. Okay, here it is. This is Peter. So let's save it. Hey, so we can check the friends. Hen. How this version to be 2? I am not going to publish this because... Or maybe I'm going to, I'm sure. When Miss Sen. This is to get. Yay. Most bullshit, then I am not going to use it. Now. Again Bush also the other changes as I wonder. So now that we have the usual strategy which is the same, and the strategy. Now let's work the orangutan part so. What I want to do is to work with the I last, and the I minus stuff, so this is here. So this is the eyeglass, and the plus there, and this is used somewhere is yeah, this is the way I say it and name it. So first of all I'm going to use the skill level. We should be 29 care. And the idea is to our when I miss it, so this is the old code, and there. Still the new code is going to be different, so let's come in here. How the new code is going to be. Key level. We go, and it doesn't matter if we are above or mouth. The trend the same way. Here. What the I knows he's other the skill level with the moment the manners is yay. If this is our the get this level, then the show condition is true. And what I want to do is there so that they can't close. This is a stop, so yeah, we have the close to stop somewhere. So this is the code. The lot of stuff that we are not use him, you know that to decide if we are going to or not. Yes, so let me check 1 second. So are all around the here. You can check. What no, and what the hell is this sketch yay? So this is like a nation, so. I want to add an additional condition, but I'm not sure about it. So let's add it, but let's come under the original code, so my condition is this one. So if I am going what they want to close is when I'm crossing down, so this is gross, and the nothing other than the other way of closing, it's this one. Okay, so the same thing as via, we want to the whoa, let's copy paste and cross under. That's my change again. Now lads, let's add some stuff around here. Training be here again, so now I can test this new code, and we can tag if it works as expected or not. I mean, if it works, have a better this sheet than the last to go. The show the here in 30 minutes. If I'm not mistaken, so before going, I want to tell you that this video is a comment, and it does not constitute any investment advice. Okay, so now we are here. That's right. How we want to. While the fight our source code. See what happens. Okay, here we are. Let's see if it's any rather care. I think it's a bit weather. I'll have the old code by now. Hi, this is promising. My question is, if I have to close because of these or not. Maybe here can't. Sant. Where are you? Yay. Maybe we don't stop. We see what happens. Nothing. He can't let me check the and the other version. Maybe if I am. Okay, so this is the old version. Lens a snapshot. What's so big? Who that we can compare? Her guess, and now I can. Yeah, I guess like them face thing, it should work as expected. Her can. So the old code. Who gave us a better profit? We have a 582. Or we have more profitable. and the drawdown is smaller. That's not the case with the new one, although we have a nice. I'm here on the thought, which we did not have with the old gold. We can also check that we have much more trades on the new code. So in the old girl we had 54 trades, and in the new code we have 77 trades. Badly, yeah, so now I want to try not to close with all of this stuff. So let's go here. And once, and going to do is test. Removing this condition. And yes, close. When there is a cross other, we are going to ignore the highest balls in, and A. Okay, and lowest closing, and 8 we are going to ignore them. And see what happens when, because this is my first idea, we ignore the transit. Okay. How we just go with it. See what happens. So let's go. So before doing that, I might take another screenshot just for having it. Hate to say again. No. Ha. Again, 1 second. When make and a screenshot of this so that we can compare. And now I'm going to copy and paste and see what happens. Where is it? It's here. Now we have something similar. Let's see. So he uses the same code. Let me check again. Now the new code. That's not take into account this. A stop, so if I got beat it properly and go to training beer and I added it. Hey. Why? Are you kidding me? This does not make sense. Are you telling me that this is not gives him? How can, and me check. Hey there, I have a problem with copy and paste. Ha. It's not a problem. Maybe it's not a problem. He goes. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me. Here we have the same result again, so let me. Let's pause here for a moment. And let's save this state, because this isn't a state that it's not easy to implement. So let's go backwards, okay? That's right, so now we have the scenario. What's going to copy and paste, and we will check that this is 5 not 0 once again. What's right, so I'm going to save the his as something else. Yeah, let's save it. Even with we have some comments here, let's say that like map. And let's say that this is you're the term logic. While I'm as we want more logic. And now we're going to make a snapshot so that we can go back. Here he will meet. That's right. So now I can check. And I will add this version 3. And I can, if I want. Oh shit, I'm not sure if it were a bit this worthy. Because we already have the other versions. Yeah, let's push it, doesn't matter too much. Again. Now. I want to compare something. I want to compare. Then see me in to the A. Now I want to compare. Let me see if it makes sense. I want to compare our current scrapes. Do the single tutorial with risk management so that we can check what else has changed. And this is what they wanted to modify. So now we have a lot of stuff. And one of this stuff is the break-even. Okay, this is enable customers given because later it's years in there. It's using this in order to play with a custom break-even. And with one custom break-even here. So I'm not sure if it's just a matter of disable the city, disable the setting, the same disable aim the sailing the city. Maybe his chest. Maybe it's as easy as doing this. What's right now? What we have a 5 that might the 6 we can remove the stop loss, and we have 6. 32 that's a bit better. Yay. I think that's what I want to do. Now what I'm going to do. Yes, to compare. From. Hi, I'm going to compare bin the single tutorial with risk management to the. Are you, and I'm missing the clothes, and me. To this one, okay. Whoa, that I can apply changes. And now. Big profit, they know what I don't want, yeah, cause them break even, I want it disabled, so I do like this. As the laws, I don't care if it's one thing or another, but the thing is that I don't want it to be enabled. So I know when it be enabled. Let's keep it for now like this. We will check labor. So this is the logic, this is the blood. Now this is more logic, this is the thing that we don't want, yeah. Though you want to apply this difference here. And here. Second. What's? Yeah, and. We'll southern the not one this we want the default settings. Whoa, this is something that we want to save, and we are them. One now. I can say. One that this is. The orangutan logic. Now. The other thing they want to do. Here. Here's to remove. Okay, first of all let's check what we have right now, which should be by the. I'm not sure what it should be here, but let's check our current code. See what happens. Who cares of 5 that 96 with that one dog 3035? The down end. Stop loss is being imposed as an 80 there, so if I remove it we go the 632. Damn that size. What's an? Yeah. Where'd skip it? The now. I want to do another change. Which is removing this clause here. Because now we don't care about the custom break-even. It should work. It should boy this to be close. Make goes up anything. And now see what happens. Hell, we have 596 leads still. Screenshots. What happens when Trump? And let's say, and see what happens. 5 a night this 6 wait for the 26% profitable. Now we have by the him. And it's less profitable number before. So blue. This might be a problem. What happens if I remove the stop loss? Do we have any difference? It's a bit better, but not so much. So apparently, this is something that helps us. So I'm Lance. He had been in place again. Let's say this. And now we have 6 or 32. And we can play with stop loss if we want to. Yay, misses 596. There is a lot of places where we have some losses. So now we are going to check the losses if it has something to do with man up or not from trend. Yes, the old code that her guess out. This is maybe a 30. Again, the trade number 30. Here. Hey, let's see what happens here. You can see. This is the moment. We're going. We are above the, and so they should me. Working always. But there is a problem. Because in the next. Right. No, that's not right. Here. Now. So we go. Because. is other 29, but just in the next handle is below 29, and we have to close. And that's a failure, and I guess there's something similar here. Going the now asked his father, when did I am, and in the next trade is either 9, so we have to close. Okay. What a star. So here we have 30 with my nose over 30. And then my nose is below 30, or so. Like the moment. Yay, we have minus our 29, the here is below 29, so we close. And that's it. Later. It's 29. Okay, so he seems there's a problem here. Who maybe changing the level should have been, but I'm not sure. How much should be modifying the 7? He goes, this is a bit random. So here 38. 38 we have less profit by this 63%. That's right, because the less much less famous. No 38 of the eggs, that yay. Seems to be nice thing to have. A game. We might want to change that to the I-link. He's my what's an these. We have 14. And let's see. We can find something better. That makes sense. He went in sweet. So apparently the team and 12 are quite good. Although I'm not sure. Yay. This seems to be quite good. Then what happens if we remove the stop loss? We have a little more. So let's see if I can manage this stuff, because I'm not sure about this. Right now there is no change. So that means that we use this high close cinema and this lowest 1008 close. and apparently that helps when you don't use it as a break-even. While the ways otherwise we would be using it as a break-even. Her game. Check yay. While the other thing that they want to do is to use the Delange for the blast. And for the moon minus a bad, I'm not sure about this. What guess so? Who that we can find time this better. I barely aware I in 2911. Which maybe. Hey, this is 2911 magazine. Hi, I'm in this change. Her care. How? Should the wait for this changes? Okay, let's go back to 29. And I will check 28. Hey. When 7. Okay, what about having 30? It's not. If not better, I like this one a lot. Although yeah, so this is for the postman. What's this? Why do I like this one's for much? What's your name? They only have 51 trades. With 29. They have 86 raids. Oh, it's much better to have this one with less profitable. As far as I understand the guess I'm now. How we're going to save this so that we have 12, and it's a better profit. But either like it, because that's the way I'm. It seems that. Amen. Yay. Okay, so. When going to change to 12. This 14 length for the eggs. It this year. Let's save it. And let's test that everything is as expected. Can. Oh, now they should show something. How was it has been saved a game show 7:53, so going to save this change. Ha. This is going to be free from the orangutan logic. And what's the nanny of thing that we want here? We want to bump the version so that it's before, or something like that. Check before. Hello. Okay, send now. When I can use it in 3 the meal. Huggins the now. I can save this, and I can make another version never one. Which is like theirs. This is before. We want to add for. How we want the polish. Before. Who now? Like this. So let's save the current state. Which is that's a screenshot. The current task, which is 7:53. Which we are doing in web. When a stop lasts 10. That's nice thing to have. While the ways we win more bad we are not so sure. How can we are not so sure? Some now. What I want to do is to change. I want to change. Level more up. So that we have a second for up, for that we have taken for down, and so that we have a B length for up, and the up at the length for thou. And we can play with the settings some that have something rather than this. I'm not sure if this is going to be another barrier, so I think I'm going to save the for in the media discretionary right. Now so I want to go here in text. We have the for, so before. Where you live here. And here. That's right, so this is going to be in the video description so that you can use it, if you want. Which is around the time this is not. This is not Simian man. It's quite similar. Yeah, it's quite similar. Okay, so now we have this before. And the going to end the or here, yeah. So we are going to say. What's going to be in the media? Help new set him for the last. He level. Damn. Neil said the info. The I miners level. And the set for the last. And what's the 7 name? 1 second. Where are you, my friend? Somewhere. Why the idling? Then. What's right? So this is what you want to do in the next video. We want your settings for what in the weekend we can cherry pick what the best changes are. Yay, so let me tell you once again that this video is a comment, and it does not constitute an investment advice. So see you in the next video. Huh.